Hello and welcome to GoJobs. My name is Jonathan Duarte. I want to show you how to do a search for engineering jobs on GoJobs.com. On the home page, here it is, GoJobs.com, as you can see up top. And if I scroll down a little bit, there's a couple ways to do a search for engineer jobs. And of course, depending on the type of engineer job search you're trying to do for a mechanical engineer or civil engineer, there would be different types of search strings you can use, and we'll talk about those as well. But right off the home page, if you go ahead and click engineer jobs, up basically it's a category search right off of our home page, and you'll see right away you get a list of job postings. Now again, this is a job category search, so this is going to have everything from product engineers and chemical engineers to some IT engineering positions and project managers, manufacturing engineering positions. So that's one way to do an engineering job search. If I go back here one sec, also from the home page you can do an advanced job search. In the advanced job search, the benefit of doing this one here is you can come down and we choose in the category box engineering by typing the letter E, scrolling down, and let's find a civil engineer position, and I'll click search. Here you'll find the different titles of civil engineer jobs by the category of civil engineering jobs. One of the better searches I recommend to people is to do a category search like civil engineer and then type in a keyword search for civil engineer. Excuse my typing there. Okay, now one thing, I'm not choosing a location at this point, but I'm also saying match all keywords. If I chose any words, it would choose civil or engineer, and what we want is we want both words together in the job description or job title. I'm going to go ahead and click job search and up we come right away. Civil engineering field supervisor project manager, civil for engineering wastewater professional engineer position, then we've got civil senior transportation, civil designer, roadway refinery. Looks like we probably hit the right search here. So then, of course, once you get on this first job here, we'll find the job description, and of course, easy enough to see. You come up to the top here and you can apply now right for that position. I also want to show you one other tip on the job search, is when you're on the job search, you can also click Save Search. Now I'm going to click on Save Search here, and you can go ahead and sign up if you don't have a membership on GoJobs. And the benefits of doing this and saving a search is we'll essentially create a job agent for you, which is a program that will email you your jobs depending on the frequency that you request, be it daily, weekly, or monthly. And it's the same search criteria that you used in your search just now. We'll just save that, and you can enter in an email address and a password, and we'll send those jobs to you on a daily basis. That's the default, but you can override those. So right now I'm going to sign in with my account. Okay, it remembers me, and I'm going to log right in. So this comes back. It's going to give you a default name of Agent 1. Going to have your keywords, in this case civil engineering, and again I'm going to click all just so we make sure it says both of those words, both civil and engineer, and has a category of civil engineering, and I'm going to click daily. Again, at this time I do not have a location chosen just for the purpose here, but you can choose your location as well. In fact, you can actually create multiple, up to 5 job agents, so you can use different keyword strings, you can use different categories, you can choose multiple categories at once, and you can choose multiple locations at once. So you can create a very dynamic amount of criteria to select from. One thing I always recommend is you start off a little bit slower, choose one set of search strings, and then go ahead and use that search string first prior to creating any multiples. That way you rest assured that yes, your search worked in the first place. Then I'm going to go ahead and click here and click Save and View. And right now what I'm going to do is change the name here to Civil Engineer as the title of my agent, and go ahead and click Save and View. Okay, and you can see right off the bat that there's 1,474 jobs with this criteria, and again, the search results are saved for us. And up top, you can go ahead and create a new agent, see your account info, or log out. Now, I'm going to stop the recording for a second and actually bring up the email that is sent to me so that you can see those results as well. So hold on just one second, and here we go. We've got an email. The from, you'll notice, is seekersupport@gojobs.com, and it says to Jonathan Duart, or Jonathan at GoJobs, and the results are your GoJobs job agent. You can see if we scroll down here, here is for agent 1, and I have several things created. Then I've got engineer 2, and here's a civil engineering position. Again, one thing I can do right off the bat from this email is go ahead and click on it, and voila, direct result right back to the job, and then I can apply directly to that position. If I go back here to my job listings, again, I have the same job postings that would probably come up in the agent. Alright, so that's the process of creating an agent, creating a job search, doing different types of searches, including the keyword search. Again, this shows all the agents that I have currently available. You can see the agent number. You can click here and it would show the results, or you can edit that agent or delete the agent. You can also see all of the agents at once. So we've got 1 agent, 2 agents, 3 agents, 4 agents, and 5 agents. One's already called mechanical engineer jobs. This is one that I had created earlier in the day. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you what would happen if I click show jobs. I think that's helpful to actually see the process work. And here you can see the date you created that, modified it, and last time we had sent a response. So this is using just the word engineering with no categories selected, and you can see engineering positions come up, business analyst. If it's the difficulty about just doing a keyword search without the category in this case is you're doing a keyword string search, and if someone uses the word engineering, like possibly in this case here for a business analyst, that's why the job is showing up. So I'll just click back on my browser here, and we'll be back, and we can see all of our things here. We can also choose to not send emails, but just have it so that it stays up on the GoJobs site, and then we'll come back and do a search. You can also delete your account, you can create a new agent, or you can save selections there. So that's about it as far as finding engineering jobs. We hope this is helpful, and good luck in your search. Thank you.